Hello and welcome back to my channel where I try and create home decor on a budget. Today I'm trying to create this eye mirror which I know you might have seen around for quite some time, so I thought that I should try and make one. So if you're interested in knowing how I made this, then please keep on watching. I am starting with this embroidery hoop and I am going to cut it into 2 equal halves. For cutting, I am making a starter cut first by using an X-Acto knife and then went in with this handheld double-edged saw. So now I have got 2 equal halves of my embroidery hoops. Now my aim is to arrange the mirror and the hoops in this way so that it looks like an eye. So to start the process, I am going to glue a part of the mirror to the one half of the embroidery loop. But before I glue the mirror, I am stacking some more mirrors below my main mirror so that it gets enough support from surface while I'm gluing it. I'm also gluing it from the back too for some extra strength. Then I flipped the mirror and arranged where the other half of the embroidery hoop will go, and once I'm happy with the arrangement, I marked it and I'm going to cut it at that point. But before I cut it, I am tacking the mirror with a small amount of hot glue so that it remains stuck to the hoop, and in this way I will make sure that I accidentally don't cut off the extra length of the hoop. Now I am properly gluing the sides together so that everything looks secure and seamless. Once the glue is dried, I am marking the sides and cutting off the extra length. Next, I glued the mirror properly to the hoop, making sure that it is as clean as possible from the front. Now once the basic structure of the eye is made, I am going to make the eyelashes, for which I am using the leftover skewer sticks from the geometric wall art video, which if you want to check out, then you can find the link by clicking on the top right hand I button. I had painted this pack of skewer sticks black in that video, which seems perfect for making these eyelashes. I am using the pointy side of the skewer stick for this purpose, and I am measuring and cutting each stick and initially arranging them to see how it will look, and then I glued it to the embroidery hoop. I aimed for an arrangement of gradually decreasing length of top lashes. However, I was not quite happy with the first 3 sticks, so I eventually had to cut them again and rearrange them. For the bottom lashes, I had all the sticks cut in equal lengths. I decided not to paint the embroidery hoop and kept the natural color of the wood. It is quite a quirky little project which you can easily make and which can act like a small statement piece for your wall. The total cost of this project for me was $199, which includes the cost of the embroidery hoop, as the mirrors were a gift from one of my friends. Again, if you want to see more DIYs that you can do with mirror or ways of using embroidery hoops, then you can check out my videos by clicking on the top I button. But for now, let me know if you liked my efforts, and if you did, then hit the like button and don't forget to leave your comments and views in the comment section below. And if you like pocket-friendly DIYs, or even if you enjoy watching them, then subscribe to my channel to join me in this DIY journey and click that little bell next to it to get regular updates on when I upload my videos. Thank you so much for your time and support. I really appreciate it. I will talk to you soon with another of my DIYs. Till then, please take care and stay safe.